Okay, hi all. Today I'm gonna tell you about different kind of sitting postures. We are done with the standing asanas, and in case if I get any new kind of standing poses or asanas, I'll practice and make a tutorial video for that standing asanas. As of now, what all standing asanas I was aware of, I have already made a video tutorials over that, and I have made the practice videos so that you can learn and then you can practice the same postures and see how they affect your body, how you can apply them. So now today I'm gonna show you one more asana. Now we are starting with the sitting posture. So this posture which I'm sitting in is called Vajrasana, and how to do it is that you have to you have to bend your leg from knee and then keep your foot in flat posture like this, something like this, or you can keep it like this and sit over your this whole paw of your foot like this. So if you are starting, just try to sit with your foot like this over your back. Keep your muscles straight and relaxed, and keep your hands over your thighs. So this is known as Vajrasana, and this sitting posture is used in Japan and many other countries. And the effect or the benefits of this asana are tremendous. It helps you in your digestion, so you can do it even after having your food. And moreover, this Vajra asana will help you to strengthen your thighs and leg muscles. It stretches your back hamstring muscles at the same time. It also helps you in relaxing your back muscles as much as possible. So this is suitable if you have long working hours sitting on chair, and for sedentary posture for very long. This will help you to relax your lower muscles. This asana is basic for doing many other asanas, because we use this Vajrasana posture for doing other asanas, like you want to do Anulom Vilom Pranayam, you want to do Agni Sar Kriya, you want to do Shashank Bhujangasana. So this is the basic, and in the beginning you will not be able to do it for very long, and that is absolutely fine. You can just sit for the time you are comfortable with, relax yourself, ease yourself down, and then again come up. This will also help you to retain the semen in your body and increase the energy level inside your body. This asana is very effective, and that is why this is the name Vaj is given on the basis of the weapon used by Lord Indra, made out of a saint's body, saint's spinal cord. And that in Hindi we call that spinal cord structure over your back is as Vajra, and that same analogy is used to make the nomenclature of this asana. So hope you will do this little posture and start seeing the changes. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.